Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today I have a Bath and Body Works haul that I'd like to share with you. This is my winter candle haul and I did take advantage of the sale where they were $12.50 each and I had a $10 off 30 coupon, so that made each candle approximately $9, a little over $9, $9.16. And here in Canada, they are $25.50 per candle. So in my opinion, that is quite a savings and definitely a time to stock up. This will probably be my last haul before their semi-annual sale, which I'm super excited for. But that being said, if you want to see what I purchased at Bath and Body Works this time around, please keep on watching. So to begin, this one is new to my collection. It's not new to Bath and Body Works collection, but again, it is new to me. I purchased the Peppermint Marshmallow, and the scent description on this one is peppermint and spearmint essential oils with notes of powdered sugar and marshmallow. And everyone knows I love marshmallow. So this was definitely a purchase for me to add to my collection. And look at that design, so pretty, so festive. And the lid is a snowflake, and it is a light green wax. And oh my goodness, it smells so good. So we'll certainly give that a try. So that's the first one. The second one, again, is new to me. It's the crushed candy cane. And again, oh, so festive packaging. And the scent description on this one is crunchy peppermint and white sugar crystals. Also a snowflake on the top, but it is different from the previous one. And so pretty. It looks like a sweater. And again, the wax is a white wax. And this one I definitely believe will be a strong throw. The next one I bought it is a repurchase for me. It is the Frosted Cranberry. And the scent description on this one is iced cranberries, blonde woods, red apple, and tonka bean. And just as a reminder, here in Canada, we actually do not have scent descriptions on them. And the top is like so. And again, it is a white wax. Oh, and I just love this one. One of my favorites. Next, and this is definitely a repurchase. I buy this time and time again. Actually, I buy multiples of this one. And that's the Marshmallow Fireside. And the scent description on this one is cedarwood and Palo Santo essential oils with notes of toasted marshmallow and vanilla. This, I would definitely say, is probably on my top 5, actually top 3, if not number 1. I just absolutely love, adore this scent. And the lid is like so. It's a copper lid, which is not coming across. This one is definitely one of the favorites out there, but it is new to me. The reason I purchased it is hubby fell in love with it. This is definitely his type of scent, and that is the Hot Cocoa and Cream. And the scent description on this one is nutmeg and sandalwood essential oils with notes of milk chocolate and steamed milk. He's a chocolate lover. He's a hot chocolate lover. You can see it's a white, a little off-white wax. Definitely smells like hot chocolate in my opinion, so he's gonna love this one. And the lid looks like so. And the last one, again, a repurchase for me. I absolutely love the scent. Again, probably one of my top 3 scents. It's the Vanilla Birch. Not only do I love the scent, but I love the packaging. Looks like a birch tree. And the scent description on this one is white birch, Madagascar vanilla, and warm sandalwood. Plain lid and a white wax. Oh my goodness, definitely top 3. Love the scent. So that was my candle. So I purchased 6 in total, as I mentioned, with the discount, with the promo, it came out to about a little over $9 each. And the other last item that I purchased, of course, my niece was with me. She wanted this little unicorn for her hand sanitizers, and this one actually is really cute because it does light up. You can see here, if you click on it, the little horn lights up in pink. So she'll enjoy that one. And this one was $7.75. So there you have it. There was my Bath and Body Works haul this time around. One other thing, they of course gave me a coupon. You know I'm going in. Again, a $10 off 30 purchase, plus they will have their 2018 tote, exclusive tote, coming November 22nd, so in a couple of weeks or so. It's over $123 value, includes 7 most giftable products. If you want a closer look, that's the tote, and those are the products. And again, that's a $10 off 30 purchase, and it's valid from now until December 24th. So there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know down below if you've tried any of these candles, or let me know what's your favorite candle, because I'm always open to suggestions, open to trying different fragrances. More specifically, this time around, I'm looking for winter, Christmassy fragrances. I have a lot of cinnamon type scents and cloves. So let me know down below what are your favorites, and I'll make sure to, next time I pop in, to check them out. So again, thank you so much for watching, and like always, I will talk to you in the next video, hopefully sooner than later. Bye everyone!